Tired of inventory chaos eating into your profits? Let's transform that mess into a smoothly running machine with inFlow Inventory. First, head to the inFlow website and sign up for an account, selecting the plan that fits your business needs. Next, import your existing inventory by uploading a CSV file or manually adding products, ensuring you have accurate starting quantities. Now, let's create detailed product profiles. Add each item, including a name, description, cost, and even images for easy identification. Time to order more stock. Create purchase orders to replenish your inventory, easily tracking quantities and expected arrival dates. When a customer places an order, generate a sales order in inFlow, which automatically deducts the items from your inventory. Keep a close eye on your stock levels in real time using inFlow's intuitive dashboard, preventing stockouts and overstocking. Generate insightful reports to analyze sales trends, inventory turnover, and profitability, helping you make smarter business decisions. Explore advanced features like barcode scanning for faster stock management and warehouse management for multiple locations. Integrate inFlow with your favorite e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce for seamless online sales management. When new stock arrives, use inFlow to receive it against your purchase orders, automatically updating your inventory levels. Fulfill customer orders efficiently by picking, packing, and shipping directly from inFlow, minimizing errors and delays. Easily process returns by creating return orders in inFlow, updating your inventory and issuing refunds as needed. Perform regular inventory audits to ensure accuracy, identifying and resolving any discrepancies between your physical stock and inFlow's records.